Inconceivable!
Hi, my name is Ransom and I'm the CAD lead here on Team 2530. We've been doing a lot of work on the CAD this week by finishing many of our subsystems and getting them built on the robot, making drawings, and just generally putting it all together. So far we've completed the spindexer for our robot and the loader, and we're just beginning to manufacture the intake and the turret. And soon we'll get the hopper started as well. Past that, we seem to be making good time for the constraints that we had. So, we'll see you all at week 0.
Hi, my name is Purity. I've been working on the turret and the shooter. So far in the design process, we're about 95% done. We've sent all the things to be manufactured and we're just doing the last final touches, making sure everything is mated correctly, everything is good in CAD, all those things. Our robot is kind of in the upper limits of the weight and we didn't want to go over, so we had to lighten a lot on the turret itself. As you can see, we have a whole lot of lightning, and we also struggled with doing too much lightning. We didn't want the piece to break, and we also wanted it to not have too much extra weight, but we did find the happy medium. This is what it looks like from the front. We're using two 3-pound flywheels. They're both controlled by belts. These are our motors. There's our limelight. This is the bottom view. This piece will be fixed. It's for our turret and mounting the actual shooter itself onto the robot. This part in the middle will be connected to a belt via this motor, and this will actually spin, and so will the shooter itself. This is what it looks like from the back. This is polycarbonate. It'll be our hood. Our hood is fixed, but later on we're going to reiterate it into being adjustable.
Hello, my name is Luke Hunter Holzner, and I'm going to go over some of the progress we've made on our robot today. The main thing we added were both of these struts here. These will support the turret when we eventually put it on. And we've also added the loader here, which takes the balls from the spindexer and actually shoots them up into the turret. And then our spindexer, to show you a little bit of how that's going. God, I'm not really supposed to do this, but I'll run it from the top. So we put on these cone wheels from Rev at the bottom, which helps the fuel fall into our spindexer, and it grabs them more the more they fall in. So that's actually worked surprisingly well. When we made this, someone was just like, oh yeah, this needs to be compressed in here as much as it's compressed in the loader and shooter. And so it's just that size now. There's nothing we can do about it. We can put on a 4-inch wheel, or no, that's too much work, but it gets all like stuck up here like this. This low key, yeah, like that's about what it does. It just gets stuck up there. So we put the cone wheel on, and the cone wheel worked like well enough where we're now just running with it. Well, we tried taking a 4-inch wheel and yeah, pretty much just mangling it. So that didn't really work because there's not enough tread to do exactly what we wanted to do with that. We also tried 3-inch wheels, but those are just too small and they cut the fuel. So I think we'll be done on time with our robot. People are like all whacked out. I think it's going to be A-okay.
Hi, my name is Hunter, and I'm in the As You Wish manufacturing sub-team. And what I've been doing this past week is manufacturing parts in the mill, which is, I've just been sitting here making parts, as well as getting yelled at by Stacy to make even more parts.
Alright, this is an audio test to make sure that these microphones work. My name is Colin.
I'm Mukio.
My name is Colin. I'm on the programming sub-team, and this week I have been working on upgrading the Limelights to Limelight OS 26 and upgrading the Limelight helpers files.
I'm Mukio, and I've been working on the physics behind on-the-fly shooting. We're almost ready, but we just have to have our robot so we can test and make adjustments accordingly.
Alright.
I'm Quinn, and I've been working on the solving part of the limelight shooting. Part of that means that I had to change around the entire representation of doing it before. Because before, what we were doing is we were pointing the motors at an angle, so I changed that to pointing at like a point on the field.
My name is Zach. I've been doing nothing, and are you not passing the other mic?
Okay.
What are we doing here?
I've been. Oh, my name is Zach. I've been working on the BOM for electronics. Refining it, making sure that all the parts are right and their weight is right and it's all tallied up correctly. And then I've been putting it into a Google slide, which is the layout of the robot, and we call it the electronics layout. And that's what I've been working on for electronics.
You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.